Your mic volume's low. You're a simpleton. That's what you are. My mic volume's never low. How my mic volume gonna all of a sudden be low when it's never changed? Make that make sense, big dog. Like, actually. Matter of fact, all right. Mic volume too low? All right, I got you. All right. We should be good now. Yo, Jada with the 5 gifted. Thank you, Jada with the 5 gifted. Appreciate that. You really gonna sit here and tell me my mic volume is too low? And guess what? Now you suffer the consequences, big dog. You done lost your mind up here. Oh, your mic volume's too low. That's literally impossible. It's the same thing every day. It can't be low. Yo, Diana with the 5 gifted.